We got news this morning that the 2021 Chevy Traverse has a new look. In this video, I'm going to tell you what to expect, what the changes are, and other features that 2020 Traverse. Let's get started on all that right now. Hey, it's Tim, Pickup Truck Plus SUV Talk. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. On this channel, you'll find SUV and truck news, reviews, and stories I do. We have a fun time talking about trucks because that's our passion. If that's your passion too, hit subscribe, click the bell, and smash the like button. Let's talk about trucks. Trucks are awesome. In this case, we're talking about an SUV, which is still really awesome. It's a 3-row SUV for a family. So what we're going to do is I'm going to tell you what the updates are for 2021 Traverse. Yeah, that guy. And tell you what to expect and when you can expect to see this on dealer lots. Let's go get started. So according to Chevy, the refreshed Traverse is going to have some changes on the exterior. It's going to be around the front headlights and the front end. And this updated front grille will have a restyled front and rear fascias. I'll show you the rear end. And I'm going to show you the front and rear with prior model year and this model year so you can see the differences. We're going to have 4 new wheel designs. We have new signature LED headlamps and tail lamps. And the turn signal indicator is integrated in daytime running lights. Chevy sent me some really good video. I'll show you the turn signal indicators as well on that. This is based off new Chevy Suburban and Tahoe kind of refresh and the unveiling of the new ones. And they've taken that same kind of design and put it on Traverse. Alright, so inside the cabin we have some changes. We have an available dual 2-panel power sunroof. The rear power has a sunshade as well, so you can just keep it open but have a sunshade coming down. We have a new available wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto capability. So you actually don't have to plug it in, your phone will just automatically sync. There's new available 8-inch diagonal driver information screen, so that's going to be in between the tack gauge. It has a best-in-class cargo space, there's a wireless charging pad, and there's USB ports in all 3 rows. Safety as well is a feature they're touting, and I'll put it on the screen about the head, or the vice president of Chevy marketing, talking about the safety features that they can insert now in the new Traverse.
Safety is growing in importance to SUV buyers, as are consumer expectations. And Chevy is delivering on those expectations with Equinox, Trailblazer, and now Traverse, with a suite of standard safety features that detect, prevent, and protect. Features like forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, and lane keep assist.
So there you go. Basically, there's more safety content now standard. This is like the 2021 Equinox and Trailblazer. The safety standard is automatic emergency braking, front pedestrian braking, lane keep assist with lane departure warning. We have forward collision alert, and telebeam auto high beams, and following distance indicator. So those are really cool features. I really am a big fan of the auto high beams. You've never tried those out in the country. It's great, turning your high beams, and the system automatically turns them off and on depending on traffic coming at you. Lane keep assist with lane departure warnings. That way it keeps you in lane and lets you, it warns you if you're outside your lane. Automatic emergency braking is great if you happen to screw up and get a rear end somebody, or somebody gets in front of you and slams on the brakes. The system will pre-charge the brakes and do automatic emergency braking to lessen the collision. And then you have forward collision alert, so it'll let you know if you're getting close to something. And the following distance indicator, that's just going to show you on the screen how close you are to the vehicles in front of you. So kind of using some sonar. So that's what you need to know about the refreshments on a 2021 Chevy Traverse. If you don't know about the Chevy Traverse, it starts at $30,000, a little bit, just a hair below that. It can run up to $50,000 to $55,000 with fully loaded. There's an L, LS, LT, RS, Premier, and High Country trims. So you have 6 trims. It has a 3.6 liter V6. I'm going to look at my notes here. 310 horsepower, 266 foot-pounds of torque. That's made it to a 9-speed transmission. You can tow upwards of 5,000 pounds in the right equipment. 18 city, 27 highway is going to be fuel economy. That's going to be front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive be a little bit tick below that. A little bit below that. And that's all depending on your driving style. If you drive like me, you may not get that. It does seat 8 in the L and LS with the bench row in the second row. LT, it's available, a second row bench seat. In the RS, Premier, and High Country, you get the captain's chair in the second row, so you actually seat 7. So there you go. That's what you need to know about the 2020 Chevy Traverse. Chevy's saying it's going to be available late 2020, so it'll be available later on this fall. You'll be able to see that in dealerships and be able to pick one up. So there you go. There's the news. If you have any more desire for more Pickup Truck Plus SUV news, which I hope you do, check us out on pickuptrucktalk.com. Also 3 words again, Pickup Truck Talk. Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We are there. Trust me, I've done it. Type it in. You find us. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you down the road.